Do you currently need restorative dental work? Do you dream of becoming a happy, healthy person with great looking and functioning teeth? Let me tell you a quick story about Jane. Currently, Jane's focus is on being able to chew her food comfortably and to be free from oral pain. Ultimately, Jane really wants to look good and chew her food comfortably. Right this minute, Jane would be ecstatic if she could be able to smile freely, eat her food comfortably, and be free from oral pain. Unfortunately, Jane still needs to figure out how to fix her teeth, have a great looking smile, and chew her food without feeling pain and discomfort. Jane is also really frustrated by the fact that her teeth are sensitive because of decay. Hot and cold temperatures are painful. Her teeth are loose and she is afraid she is going to lose them. And she is embarrassed to smile. Plus, she still feels she needs to get the answers to these questions before she can move forward. Can I afford treatment for my oral condition? Is it going to be painful to restore my mouth? How much time is it going to take before my mouth is fully restored? Jane is also still hung up on the idea that she believes it is going to be too painful to get her teeth fixed. She can't really afford it, and it's going to take too much time out of her busy schedule. In fact, she feels like her periodontal disease is not getting any better, and she is afraid she won't be able to ever chew her food comfortably or be free from oral pain. When all is said and done, Jane just wants to chew her food freely, feel free to smile without feeling embarrassed, and find a dentist she can absolutely trust. If you relate to Jane's story, I would invite you to schedule an appointment with Dr. Cindy Brown at drcindybrown.com so you can restore your dental health without pain and embarrassment. I promise to show you a plan on how to fix your teeth, increase your confidence with a great smile, and be pain-free in a comfortable environment.